you're experiencing a login failure with the error code 2026 in Minecraft, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for logging into Minecraft. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your account credentials. Double check your username and password for accuracy. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct account associated with Minecraft. Step 3. Update Minecraft Launcher. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Minecraft Launcher. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using the Minecraft Launcher, clear the cache and cookies. This can help resolve any temporary issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many issues. Restart your computer or device and try logging into Minecraft again. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. Enjoy your gaming.